Hello students, welcome again to all of you in my YouTube channel as Guru RK Mishra. Today I am going to start another sum from the same exercise 7.2, that is from the class 6 book Mathematics. And question number 3, express the following as improper fraction. Okay, all of you please pay attention in this sum. Because if you will be attentive, then you can understand that sum or any other sum very easily. So please pay attention and study the question. Express the following as improper fraction. So whatever the line, this line is saying to us that we have to express any term, any fraction in improper fraction. Now the question number A. In question number A, we are looking at there is 7 whole 3 upon 4. The value is 7 whole 3 upon 4. All of we are looking that all of us are looking that there is 7 whole 3 upon 4. There are 3 values. This is whole number and this is fraction. So it is a combination of whole number and a fraction. So this combination is known as the mixed fraction. So write down mixed fraction equal mixed fraction. Mixed fraction equal 7 whole 3 upon 4. Now we have to express this into improper fraction. So first of all I want to tell you that what is the improper fraction and what is the proper fraction. There are two types of the fraction. There are two types of the fraction: improper fraction and a proper fraction. Improper fraction means the fraction which has numerator greater than its denominator, and proper fraction is the fraction which has the numerator less than its denominator. Okay, so here we have to express this fraction into improper fraction. So it is a mixed fraction. Now we have to express it into improper fraction. So write down improper fraction. Improper fraction equal, draw a line here, denominator equal 4, write down 4 in the same place. Now we will multiply this value to this value, that is 7 and 4. 7 into 4 and add this value, that is 3. Now 7 4 the 28. 28 plus 3 equal upon 4 equal 31 upon 4. That is our improper fraction because it has the numerator greater than denominator. That is our answer for the given question. And again there is question number B. Here it is also a mixed fraction because it has a whole number and it has a fraction. It is a combination of whole number and fraction. So this is known as the mixed fraction. To write down, that is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction equal 5 whole 6 upon 7. Now we have to express this value. This is mixed fraction, and we have to express it into improper fraction. We have to express it into improper fraction. Okay. So now write down improper fraction. Proper fraction. This is mixed fraction and we have to express it into improper fraction. So we can write down improper fraction equal, draw a line, then denominator equals 7, so write down 7, and we will multiply this value to this value, 5 to 7, that is 5 into 7, and add this value, add numerator part. Okay, that is 6. 5 7 is the 35 plus 6 equal 7. Now 35 and 6 will be 41 upon 7. That is our answer. Okay. Is there any problem in these two sums? No problem. Okay. So write down in note both of these sums in your notebook and try another sum like the question number B and question number C, D, E and other sums. And if there is any problem, then all of you can ask me in my YouTube channel. And just if there is any problem, then you can contact me in my cell number. Okay. So write down. That's enough for today.